Today I just wanted to take some time and do something a little different and show some of the tools you can use on a computer, such as Sheets and Excel, depending the operating system you use, and show you how it can help you size different things such as water pipe, drains, and roof drains, stuff like that. And it looks complicated at first, but once you get the hang of it, it might take you a little bit of time to develop it, but once you have it, it actually makes your life quite a bit easier. And it's a nice tool, especially if you're doing a lot of work or maybe some larger jobs, and you just want to, instead of getting out the pen and paper every time, you can do it this way, and you can do it on your phone if you have a decent sized screen. And there's more than what I'm going to show you that you could do, but this is just a couple of examples. Here we made water pipe sizing, and this is using Google Sheets. And you can size for hot, cold, or both. You have your sizes, your factor values, and obviously whatever jurisdiction you're in, you just use the appropriate chart out of their code book and use those numbers. They're all very similar, but you want to be as accurate as possible. But this is the general idea. So it's your fixture totals, hot and cold, and you can fine tune it to your own thing. And you just add the fixture total. So if you have 6 tubs, put 6 and 6 because the tub gets hot and cold. 6 residential kitchen sinks, they both get hot and cold. Then over here it has your occupancy use, one and two family, multi-res, hotel, so on. And then it gives you your totals at the bottom. Come to your capacity value, depending on what type of structure you're working on. You can size your main here, your main riser, and your branches. And like I said, if you want to just do hot, bring your colds back down to 0. And then you can size your hot. Make sure you hit enter. And then that's for your hot. And you can size your water heater. The hot coming out of your water heater. Your hot main, if you will. So, like I said, it takes a little bit of time to put it in, but get it all on the computer. But once you have it, it's yours forever and makes your life a little bit easier. You can size these things a lot quicker. And once you double check your system, your little program, and you know it's working well, you never have to worry about making mistakes again. Although it's always good to double check. Another easy one is horizontal storm drains and vertical storm drain conductors and leaders. Because it's basically using square feet, the calculations are pretty easy to put in. Basically multiplication, and then your values will show up here. And here your diameter, your drain diameters, and you can look at the different slopes and tell you how much you get. So you get for 1/4 inch slope, 3 inch, 1/2 inch slope, 3 inch, and then with 400 square feet is your total down here. At 1/8 inch, you'd be at 4 inches. So on. You do the same thing for the liters. Go a little larger. And I'll tell you, you got 3 inches. See, it's nice and fast, nice and easy. You got to get out your pen and paper every time, and you can just whip right through it. if you have the drawing of a roof. And then you can get more elaborate. You can do all your drain pipe sizing. It's a little bit more in depth. A little bit more information you got to put in, but you can pick and choose how much you want to put in. Also, you can even add in your vents. And the idea is similar. I suggest highlighting the area that the only areas that you want to be able to edit, so you don't ruin any of your calculations. 8 bathroom groups. And you come over. It's probably not going to be a one or two branch intervals at that point, but if it was, be a 4-inch diameter stack, 4-inch either way. That even gives you the maxes on the branch intervals. So there's a lot you can do. It's a little tough at first, but once you get into it, it can make your life a lot easier. I just want to give you a couple of examples of how you can benefit from using some of this newer technology. Although it's not even new anymore, but it might be new to you. It's still kind of new to me. All right, I appreciate it. Please subscribe. Give it a like. Thumbs up. Thank you.